Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. Today in this video we are going to see how to make lesson plan, and our topic would be the talkative tortoise. This is for class 2nd. Okay, so this is the sample of lesson plan, and if you need another lesson plans on different topics, different subjects, you can check on my channel. On my channel I have more than 200 lesson plan. You can check on my channel, or description box also you can check. Okay, so here lesson plan how we have to make. This is the main this is the first part of our lesson plan. Here we have to basically write the name of the school, class, date, everything. Previous knowledge. So for previous knowledge we have to write what students are already aware of. Here you can write anything that you think students are already aware of related to the particular topic that we are going to teach. Generally here you can see we have to write like this to enable them to write and understand this beautiful story, the tortoise and the talkative tortoise, to bring students attention and interest in story. Specific objectives you can write whatever your motive or aim behind teaching this particular story. You have to write all those things. For teaching aids you can write flex chart, model, chart, whatever teaching aids we are going to use or you are going to use while you are teaching to students. You have to write all those things. This is overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's turn the page, and here you will see the most important and also critical part of our lesson plan, that is introduction part. So for introduction we can add like 5 questions, but here I have added 5 questions. You can see we can ask first question: students, do you like to hear moral stories? Student will answer yes, we like to hear that. Then we have to ask, have you ever heard a story on tortoise? Then they will answer yes, we have heard many. Which one, please elaborate? Then they will try to answer. They will say some story. They can say like tortoise and rabbit also, because that is very common story. Which one, please elaborate? Then they will try to answer whatever they have heard about. They will answer. What moral do we get from that story? Then they will answer what moral do they get from that story. Then we can ask, this is the last question: have you ever heard a story of a talkative tortoise? It would be problematic. Here also you can see objectives and specifications: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Here is the statement of aim. So we have to announce our topic. We have to say, students, I am going to teach you topic, and I am going to basically tell you story of the talkative tortoise. Like this. This is overall look of our lesson plan, right? Now let's turn the page. Let's see presentation 1. So we have to teach, or we have to read, and we have to explain the story properly to students. And here also we have to write word meanings, whatever means hard words or word meaning we have to write. Here you can see question related with that. So I have added here 4 questions. We have to ask question also to students. Here the expected answer that we basically expect from students. Here is the blackboard work. Like this you can write all those word meanings or hard words in blackboard also, in here also. And skills, here you can see teacher explain with help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid we have to write chart. Presentation 2, same process we have to repeat. Like this you can see. Okay, questions here, first question, second question, and these are the answer. This is the blackboard work. Now here you can see overall look of our lesson plan. Like this we have to make, right? Now here you can see rest part of presentation 2, word meanings you can see, and you can also write more word meanings here. Here sturdy and unclaimed, all these word meanings we have to also write on blackboard. Here question related with that, third question, fourth question, this is the answer that we expect from students. Skills, teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. Recapitulation part, I have added here 4 questions, and here is the answer that we expect from students. Okay, this is overall look. Now let's turn the page and let's see the last part of our lesson plan, that is application and evaluation. So for that we can give fill in the blanks like this. Okay, so 5 questions, 5 fill in the blanks. You can see here And this is home assignments. So for perfection of knowledge, we can also give home assignment to students. Okay. So this was my lesson plan on the topic, the talkative tortoise. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.